Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is. Alright, my people, this is another strong one reaching us. Yeah, finally, the people have now realized. And then who are the people we are talking about? We are talking about the Yoruba people. Now, they are now being mocked everywhere. Right now, the Yoruba person, in fact, a Yoruba person is now the president. For everyone who voted for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, right now, I am shocked. A lot of them are coming out one after the other, complaining. Yes, you voting for Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not say you will not buy that same fuel at the rate of 500 naira. That's another strong one we need to know right now. That will not say you will not buy the fuel at the same high rate. Everybody is buying it. That does not separate you. This is exactly what we are talking about. Chief Sunday Igboho right now, where he's, I think, a lot of people that have been mocking Chief Sunday Igboho, calling him Sunday Kutonu, they are now in regret, because where he is right now is better than what is happening in Nigeria. Yes, I'm not sure it would be any way in a hurry to say you want to come back to Nigeria anymore. A lot of people are complaining. Paint rubber of rice, they are complaining, is now 4,000 naira. My brother, my sister, in what account are you going to put that? That's exactly what we are talking about. In what account do you want to put that? Everything now is now so expensive. Everybody is crying. The people who actually voted for Bola Ahmed Tinubu are now in regret. Majority of people are now like, what exactly are we even thinking of? Where are we going to from here? Are you sure we are still going to face this Yoruba nation movement? Are you sure we are still going to remain in Nigeria? A lot of them don't even know where they belong. But in case you don't know, the only way out is still the Yoruba nation movement right now. Some set of people came out the other time complaining that they paid a lot of money into Omenera account, that they have been duped, that wherever Dukpo Onitiri is, she must release their money, that they are no longer interested in Yoruba nation. You can imagine, because some set of people came out, some set of people are not so patient to understand what is going on. We said it times that number. This Dukpo Onitiri that all of you are talking about, you are sending money to, that this woman is not real. We said it times that number. We warned a lot of people. This woman is not real. Stop sending money. Now it has been exposed. I was so shocked to have even seen some set of people still looking for a way to sending money to Dukpo Onitiri, while we are saying this woman is a scam. Some set of people are still like, no, I think the woman is the best. That's exactly what we are talking about. Everything is now expensive. Yes, because you voted for Bola Tinubu doesn't mean you will not buy that same paint rubber of rice at the rate of 4,000 naira. Some set of people are saying 3,500 naira. Which one is which? That's exactly what we're actually talking about right now. Everybody is raining curses on Dukpo Onitiri, that this woman actually dealt with us. Right now, my brother, my sister, we all need to wake up. If you are still out there, you are shouting one Nigeria, one Nigeria. My brother, my sister, you need to have a rethink. If you are still there, you are saying one Nigeria, one Nigeria, you need to have a rethink. As far as your president is concerned right now, I will still say it again and again. He cares not about you, a Yoruba man who voted him in. I always hear people on social media. Some set of people will be saying, it's LP. Some will say, no, you dey crazy. Why you go dey talk against our Bola Ahmed Tinubu? The truth of the matter is, no matter how you people drag on social media, these people, they are friends to themselves. These same politicians, they are friends to themselves. After everything, they will still go back to themselves and then make friends. That's another one that is going on right now. They are still together. You are out there, you are killing yourself, you are killing yourselves, fighting yourselves. At the end of it all, when they want to share the money, about 500 billion naira, they gave themselves a lot of billions of naira to share, even when they are even earning too much money. At the end of it all, you that you are complaining, supporting them, doing this, doing that, that you are for this party, this one is for this party. At the end of it all, it's 8,000 naira they gave a family. Do you think these people think about you? Think about the palliative right now. They don't send you. They don't even want you to survive. Right now, the Fulanis are everywhere. They are watching. They brought in religion. They want to use religion to scatter you people. Yes, Muslim tickets. Now they will tell you they are kidnapping Christians. Some Muslims will be like, hey, I want Christian long kidnap. My brother, my sister, don't get it twisted. These people are not only kidnapping Christian. They kidnap anybody they see. That's exactly what you don't know. If you are out there, you are still shouting one Nigeria. That's the essence right now. If you are shouting one Nigeria, my brother, my sister, it's only the good Lord that will help you. The wise one have made it clear, Yoruba nation not going back. I don't know if the Biafra are still talking about moving. I know majority of them, what they are thinking of is let Peter Obi remain there. But in case you don't understand, provided it's still this 1999 constitution, anyone that gets there is the same thing that will still happen. That is why the good ones, the wise ones, are shouting no going back on Yoruba nation. Just that we still have the ones in that same Yoruba nation that are not genuine. Majority of them are after the money. Now everybody is looking for how Dupe Onitiri will be captured so that they can get their money back. Chief Sunday Igboho right now, you will not hear him drag with anybody. He's just watching. You will not hear him, even if you insult him, he will not tell you anything. He's watching, simply because he has seen it all. That most especially the Yorubas are not people you can fight for. When you are thinking on the right angle for them, they will be thinking on the other angle. Instead, they are set to betray you. That is why no matter what, how you rain curses on him, he will not see anything. He will just be watching you. He will just be watching. He will not utter any statement. Majority of people are looking for a way to make him talk. This man will not talk. He will just be watching. The truth of the matter is, he has seen it all. That you people are not ready to learn. I'm so surprised that the same set of Nigerians that are buying fuel at the rate of 500, the same set of Nigerians that are that they are killing, like Fulanis are killing on a daily basis, kidnapping on a daily basis, are still the ones supporting these politicians, fighting themselves, all in the name of party that cannot help you, party that will not take you anywhere. This one will say me I be obedient. The other one will say I will be Emilokan. This one will be fighting that don't insult Tinubu. This one will say don't insult Peter Obi. Yet these people are enjoying themselves. You are still the one suffering it. When you want to sleep at night, after you must have argued, by the time you are sleeping at night, you will sleep in darkness. They will be under AC 24. Then why are we killing ourselves? Well, how do you know the person that will make it happen? Still on the matter, my brother, my sister, either you like it or not, Yoruba nation, no going back, exactly what it is. And exactly what the people are talking about. And anytime I say the people are talking about, it's not all the people. The wise ones, the wise people are talking about. And exactly what it is. All right, my people, what more can we say onto this? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.